worksheets that we're going to be using to work on ionic bonds today. So here you go.
I don't get this.
Well, what do you need help with?
Everything.
Bryce, you don't have anything done on your paper.
Yes, I do.
Really? What?
My name.
Oh, Bryce.
Okay, first question. What kind of elements are used in ionic bonding? And how do they bond?
Well, first of all, do you even know what an ionic bond is?
Yeah, I'm not dumb. It's when positive and negative ions are attracted to each other. It's true chemistry.
Oh, Bryce. Anyways, metals and nonmetals are what makes up the ionic bonding, and they transfer electrons. That's how the bonding works. Another thing about ionic bonds is that they have a crystal, and it's an orderly three-dimensional arrangement, and yeah, that's about it.
Oh, I see. So, what about the melting and boiling points? What are those?
Well, when you heat a substance, its energy increases, and then when you have enough energy to overcome the attraction of forces between them, they break away from each other, and like the crystals, you know how I just talked about them, like they will melt into a liquid, and the compounds actually have a high melting point and a high boiling point.
Okay. Okay. So, then, what about when you have, like, two different atoms, and then one loses an electron? How does that work?
Well, when one loses an electron, the one that loses it becomes a positive, and then the one that gains it becomes a negative.
Okay. And the ionic bonds, what are those, like, characteristics? Like, are they, like, can they be, like, bended, or?
Well, they can't be bent because they're pretty brittle, and they're hard.
Okay. What are some examples of them?
Like sodium chloride, NaCl. The sodium would be the metal, and then the chloride is the nonmetal. And with magnesium, yeah, magnesium as well.
Okay. So about the NaCl, is that the same as table salt then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And,
another thing, they are very good conductors of electricity, and like especially when the ions are dissolved in water.
What about like the vocabulary? Like, what does valence electron stand for?
It's just the amount of electrons that the atom or ion has.
Okay.
And polyatomic atoms, they are made of more than one atom, and like an example would be sulfate. It's made of sulfur and oxygen, and polyatomic actually means more atoms.
Okay. What's a subscript?
It's the number that comes after the
Symbol?
yes, thank you. Couldn't think of the word.
So kind of like these ones here in the book. Like it has like O2 negative.
Yep.
Like that.
Yeah, the 2 would be the subscript.
Oh. Okay.
Got any other questions?
No, not that I know of.
Okay. Well then, you can ask me
Well, I guess I better get going home to go and finish my homework for tonight for science.
You better have that done.
I'll try.
You're going to get in trouble if you don't have it done tomorrow.
I will.
Okay.
Don't worry. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. You should draw. Oh my. This is so much. Oh. Hey!
So,
Guys, how was y'all's weekend?
it was pretty good. You want to hear what we did?
Sure.
Well, we went fishing and we...
What? Can we finish this? Can we finish this? Can we finish this? What's that?
Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that the fire alarm?
Oh my god, everything! Everything! Oh Jesus! Oh my god! Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh my god, I'm a hobo! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Okay, I'm done.